name is Bart Brecka. This is my third and final entry to the clay bake challenge, and what I'm going to do is parametrically modify how much the clay settles before it's fired in a kiln. So what I'm going to do is race into insert mode here just before the ISDX feature and create a datum plane that's perpendicular to the mirror plane. Then I'm going to sketch a line on top of that. I always do these in two stages too. I call these handles, and these handles help me control geometry in hindsight, which is what I call proving form in a 3D parametric package. So my final datum plane, I always build them in the same step too. I'll adjust the size of the datum plane so I like to leave a breadcrumb trail behind so that others can update or manage modifications to the model. Okay, I'll add another one here. Align it to the underlying structure there. Okay, now I've got what I call my parametric handle. I'm going to go ahead and color that green so that it can kind of stand out to others. Okay, so it's kind of a design engine characteristic there. Now I get my style feature back, and I'm going to basically adjust my underlying geometry to sort of meet the style feature. Just kind of eye it some. Put it right about there. And then I'll raise this. Now I'm going to redefine my style feature and tell the style feature to adhere parent-child relationship is to the green handle. There you go. Now I'm going to modify the green handle to get it to behave. I'll take this one and move it back this way. Stretch it back a little bit. Okay, so let's see if we can get our parametric handle to work now. Okay, let's see. I think if we want to close in this pedal sum, we could parametrically adjust this 0.5 to 0.3. Hit regenerate. Should close up our pedal a little bit. Okay, so you gotta kind of get the idea how that works. Managing the parent-child constraints parametrically. Let's take this underlying handle here as well and grow that so you can see how it changes the diameter of the picture itself. Okay, thank you very much. That's the final display for this three-part series of the clay bake challenge, and I hope to see you taking a class at Design Engine in the near future.